Maruti Suzuki has launched the new 4th generation Swift at a starting price of 6.5 lakhs ex-showroom. This is for the entry-level model. They've invested 1,450 crores into developing this new car. Why? Joining us right now to speak about this car and its importance in Maruti's portfolio is Hisashi Takeuchi, the Managing Director of Maruti Suzuki. Mr. Takeuchi, thank you so much for speaking to us. Let me begin by asking you, the hatchback segment overall is taking a beating. Even if we look at April numbers from Maruti Suzuki, all the entry-level models of the hatchback, including the Swift, saw lower numbers. So why bet so much on the entry level?
We are also, selling a lot of SUVs, but the hatchback segment, we think it's very important, especially when market is growing. A lot of new customers coming into this market, from motorcycle riders, used car drivers, they are all coming into the new car buyers. And for this first-time new car buyers, I believe that the hatchback segment will play a really important role. So that's why we are introducing this epic new Swift this time.
All right, give us a sense of how you expect the new Swift to contribute to your volumes on a monthly basis.
This is really, important segment, this premium hatchback, because premium hatchback segment is over, 60% of the total hatchback sales. The volume-wise, we have enough production capacity, so as much as the demand, will be there in the domestic market, I think we will be able to cater for the needs of Indian customers.
Right. When you invested 1,400 crores into this car and the kind of new features that you've given it, is it also aimed at certain export markets that you want to capture this year?
Yeah. This new Swift is also very important for the export market also. And from India, we have been exporting a lot of Swift. Our export volume is growing in a rapid pace, and this Swift we are expecting to sell annually more than 30,000 units for export market.
All right, so more than 30,000 units you expect to be exported?
Yes, right.
I would also like to ask you about the overall revival in hatchback sales. You're saying that a lot of two-wheeler buyers are coming back into the market and two-wheeler sales are also reviving, which is a good sign for the car industry as well. By when do you think the hatchback segment will reach normalcy?
We do not know exactly when. We want it to will start as quickly as possible. But within 3-4 years' time, I think the revival will be there. And we have to maintain our very high market share until that time.
Okay. Now, in terms of new launches of electric vehicles, when do we expect the next EV from Maruti Suzuki?
Our first EV, we are now preparing for the start of the production and the sales. And within this financial year, we will do the global unveil of this first EV from Maruti Suzuki. And the production also will commence in this financial year.
Right. What about hybrids? Maruti Suzuki has been betting a lot on hybrids. Are we going to see some strong hybrid models come out from the company?
Yes, we think hybrid is also one of the important technology. So we are planning to add more models to have this hybrid, technology in it.
Within this year?
We are not, always, explaining our future model, plan. So we only say we are planning to do it.
Okay. My final two questions, Mr. Takeuchi. What would be your outlook right now on automobile sales? They have been very muted in the market. The growth has been very low. You expect this low scenario to continue, or you expect sales to revive in the coming months?
At the moment, this year's forecast is a little difficult to foresee. Maybe after the election, there will be more clarification about the forecast for this financial year.
Right. And in terms of EV penetration in India, how do you see that increasing over the next few years?
I think that EV will grow, and we are preparing for the EV growth also. So I'm very optimistic about the EV also.